Hey everyone! Does this sound familiar? You're in the middle of a great conversation in English, and suddenly, poof, the perfect word just vanishes from your mind. It's so frustrating, right? You know the word, but it's stuck on the tip of your tongue. Well, you're not alone. And today, I'm going to share 10 simple, powerful tips that will help you find those words faster and speak English with more confidence. Let's get started. First up, and this is a game changer, start thinking in English. When you translate in your head from your native language, your brain is doing double the work. It slows you down and makes it harder to recall words. Try to think in simple English sentences throughout your day. For example, instead of thinking in your language, I need to get some coffee, just think, I want coffee. This little switch trains your brain to react in English, making you faster and more fluent. Tip number 2. Keep it simple. If you can't remember a complex word like delicious, don't panic. Just use simpler words to get your point across. You can say, this food is very tasty, or I really like this. The goal is communication, not perfection. Keeping the conversation flowing is much more important than using fancy vocabulary. This simple trick will boost your confidence and keep you from freezing up. Our third tip is to speak English every single day. Your speaking muscles need a workout, just like any other muscle. Even if you don't have a partner, talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing, what you see outside your window, or even practice in front of a mirror. This daily practice moves words from your passive memory to your active vocabulary, making them easier to grab when you need them. Next, learn new words in full sentences, not just by themselves. When you memorize a word in isolation, you often forget how to use it correctly. But if you learn it in a sentence, you understand its context. For example, instead of just memorizing the word efficient, learn the sentence, this new software is very efficient. This way, you're not just learning a word, you're learning how to use it naturally. Tip number 5 is a classic for a reason. Use flashcards. Write the new English word on one side and its meaning, or even better, a picture on the other. Review them for just a few minutes every day. This technique uses active recall and spaced repetition, which are scientifically proven to be super effective for memory. It's a simple habit that makes a huge difference. Ready for tip 6? Immerse yourself. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and tune into English podcasts. The more you hear the language, the more your brain gets used to its sounds, rhythms, and common words. You'll start picking up vocabulary without even trying, and those words will pop into your head more easily when you're speaking. Speaking of pictures, tip number 7 is to connect words with images. Our brains are wired to remember visuals better than abstract text. So, when you learn a new word, like apple, don't just memorize the letters. Look at an actual apple and say the word aloud. This creates a strong mental link between the object and the word, making recall almost instant. What happens when you get stuck? Tip number 8. Stay calm. Feeling anxious just makes the mental block worse. Take a deep breath, smile, and try to explain your idea in a different way. You can even say something like, I can't find the exact word, but what I mean is, people will understand, and it takes all the pressure off. Remember, it's about connecting, not performing. Tip number 9 is to write more in English. Writing is like speaking, but slower. It gives you time to think and find the right words. Try keeping a short daily journal. Write about your day, your plans, or your thoughts. This practice strengthens your ability to form sentences and retrieve vocabulary, which directly translates to better speaking skills. And finally, our 10th tip, repeat, repeat, repeat. When you learn a new word, don't just say it once. Say it out loud 5 or 10 times. Use it in different sentences throughout the day. The more you actively use a new word, the more it sticks. This repetition moves vocabulary into your long-term memory, so it's always ready when you need it. So, there you have it. 10 practical tips to stop forgetting words and start speaking English with ease. The key is consistency. Try to incorporate a few of these into your daily routine, and you'll see a real improvement in your fluency and confidence. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button of Clear Voice English for more English learning tips. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. See you in the next video.